Okay, we're about to have a tornado siren test. It's about to go off. And the clock is telling me it's 10 a.m. So it has to sorry about the noise in the background, y'all. They might be talking. Might start talking. I'm not gonna open the door. I think I can hear it better in the bedroom. I don't know. Hear it? I don't know. I don't know if they already announced it. I think I might hear it. Ugh. I think I hear something. Usually I get a message from Code Red, or probably not. You usually can't hear them inside the house, which you're not supposed to. Not supposed to rely on them indoors. I can't hear them inside this house, which is a surprise. Usually around this time of the year, I can usually hear them. The tornado sirens, if you don't know what I'm talking about. I'm supposed to test today. They probably canceled. I don't know. I'm going to check Madison County page. I think they already went off. which that was a bust. I always check Madison County Emergency Management. Uh, hmm. See if they're probably the outdoor warning system is I'm seeing them, canceling it, so. Wonder what St. Clair County is doing. I was trying. Wonder if they are. Okay, St. Clair County is conducting the test. Well, that was kind of a bust. That's ridiculous. Oh well. This is gonna be a hilarious vlog for today. I was expecting that we were gonna hear the outdoor tornado sirens, and nope. So that was a bust. It's ridiculous. We usually hear them around tornado season, so I guess it's not tornado season yet. I guess they don't test. But they test them 12 months a year, not including the tornado warnings and severe weather warnings, so that's ridiculous. I really think that it's okay. Because honestly, I think you should not rely on inside your house. You should have things like, I will show you. Yeah. Are you serious right now?
Call from wireless caller. Call from.
Can't believe I'm getting this on video. Hello? They just did? Where are you at? Well, I told you it was gonna happen. You know, I told you it was going to happen. It was going to go off. Well, they told me the second Wednesday. I guess they wanted to do it today. That's ridiculous. They blew the sirens. I'm sorry. Usually it should be. I was reading on the. Hey guys. So we had a strange phenomenon yesterday. I don't know what time it was that we had this strange phenomenon. We had thundersnow. It was so weird. I should have caught it on video for y'all. But it was so awesome to hear it. While it was thundering and lightning. And what really caught my attention about it was the thunder and lightning with it. So I was thinking, oh man, we're having thunder snow. I need to disconnect my weather radio. My CB radio, because lightning can destroy the radio. So I jumped up and I did that. But apparently it was. It was so weird. But I will be right back. We got something going on today at 10 o'clock, and I think we will hear it from his house. We got our tornado sirens for the monthly tests going off. So this is the first one of the year. They have a lot of... That happens a lot around here. They go off periodically. We just got done with this winter storm. So, there's that. So I will talk to you then. Bye.